HVAC people.
So don't let anybody tell you what you can't do. Not even me. That's my little acting on Pursuit of Happiness with Will Smith. When he was carrying them big little computer things around, I think he was trying to sell them to hospitals. Well, I do a little upselling myself, so I started selling these air scrubbers. And whenever a homeowner let me know they have any allergy problems or something like that, I'll introduce them to the air scrubber. And so I sold a couple of them, and the homeowner, they seem to like them and say they do work. So I bought this little book also. So whenever it's an air scrubber book, it has testimonials in it. So whenever I maybe troubleshooting the unit or doing the maintenance on the unit, I give this to the homeowner and kind of just let them look through it while I troubleshoot or work on the unit. And it's pretty cool. Some of them say it kind of remind them of the childhood. But see, you got a little charging port that comes with it, and just the play button. So I let them know they can play. I think it had like 3 screens, and you can pause it, turn the volume up and down.
All of us today are concerned about increased exposure to allergens, mold, VOCs, and air pollutants. Now, with ActivePure, you can eliminate these and other harmful contaminants in the air and surfaces in your home or office.
That's pretty cool.
ActivePure goes beyond traditional air purification systems and is the only air cleaning technology awarded the prestigious Certified Space Technology.
And this one here, C product.
There's no place more important or comfortable than your home. It's a gathering place for those you love, a celebration location, the most desired destination.
Testimonials. They really like the testimonials.
I'm Dr. Sally Fire-Dietz. I'm around children all day long in my pediatric physical therapy practice. As pediatric therapists in a busy clinic, one of our main concerns is providing a clean and healthy environment for everyone to work in. When I heard about ActivePure, I researched it and discovered what...
See, I can sell, or I can upsell him, but like I said, I'm a technician at heart. So I pretty much like this book. It'll tell them all about the product, so I don't really have to do anything. You know what I mean? I know how to install it for sure. I usually get a step-down transformer, 24 volts, and it's a simple install. But like I say, it's good to have a licensed technician to install them. You know, I can install them, troubleshoot them all day long. But when it comes to the scientific part of this product, it's better to let them get a customer knowledge of this product. So, but if the customer asks me about the product, I had the few that I have installed, I have had good reviews of it, and I know the sales guy that I deal with the air scrubbers. If I have any kind of questions, or if I can't answer the question that a homeowner presents to me, I can always contact them and we can find out whatever question that they may have. So, like I said, I'm getting my Pursuit of Happiness on, doing a little upselling, you know, and trying to bring a service to the community. But I hope this product serves my customer well, and if they're having any, problems, I hope this help out. All right, appreciate it. Protect the people we love.